Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And this in particular one is a T-Mobile variant or T-Mobile version. I bought it at T-Mobile, and you can see here how the box is laid out, basically how skinny or how thin it is. So let me go ahead and open it and see what comes in the box. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see here there's just two seals that you have to break. There you go, on the top and on the bottom. And then you just open it out like that. So this is the inside box. I'll just leave it up here for now. And you can see the phone laid out there. And they have this little tab where you pull it to get the phone completely out. Okay, so it's kind of wrapped in something for protection. So we'll just leave it there for now. I guess this is the bottom portion of it. There's nothing else in there. Everything should be in here. Okay, so there you go. This is the empty box. Put that on the side. Oh, I'll just leave it up here. Okay, so there you go. Let's pull this out. So that should be everything. Nothing else in there, as you can see. Let me put it to the side. They give you a quick start guide. Terms and conditions. And I guess, what is this? Terminology and conditions. I guess this is the Spanish version of it. Guía práctica de inicio. Y términos y condiciones. So, here you can see how it's laid out. They give you the charging cable. Of course, they don't give you the wall plugins anymore. They just give you the cable. They give you the SIM card remover. And that's it. That's everything that comes in the box. So let's take a look and see how the phone looks like. Like I said, they have it protected like this. You kind of see how it is on the sides. These are the buttons here. The charging port. Oh, and that one should be the SIM card. So let's see how it looks like. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, there you go. Yeah, and there's the phone. Looks pretty cool. And of course, it's one of those folding phones. So it folds out, and then you could use it like a regular phone like this. And this is the screen as well. You can see the 3 cameras in the back, the flash, and that's how it looks like. I guess you can have an idea. But when it's closed, and then when you open it up. Alright, so that's everything that comes in the box. Let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. And then check out my other videos as well. Thank you very much.